Welcome back to our channel where we explore the world's most influential organization and the stories behind their success. Today we are uncovering the incredible journey of Baker McKenzie, one of the largest and most impactful law firms on the planet. How did a single law office in Chicago grow into a global legal powerhouse? What makes Baker McKenzie a leader in the legal industries? And what lesson can we learn from their stories? Let's find out in the deep dive into the worlds of Baker McKenzie. Founding and early history of Baker McKenzie. The story of Baker McKenzie begins in 1949 in Chicago, Illinois. Russell Baker's a lawyer with a bold vision, wanted to create a firm that was not confined by national borders. He partnered with John McKenzie, a skilled litigator, and together they found Baker McKenzie. In the post-World War II era, globalization was in its infancy. Businesses were expanding across borders, but the legal industry remains highly localized. Baker saw an opportunity to change that by creating a law firm that could provide seamless legal services to multinational clients. One of their earliest challenges was convincing clients that a global approach to law could work. But by the mid 1950s, their reputation for handling complex cross border cases began to grow, attracting attention from businesses operating internationally. In 1964, Baker McKenzie opened its first international office in Caracas, Venezuela. This marked the beginning of their aggressive global expansion strategy. Over the next few decades, the firm opened offices in major cities across Europe, Asia, and Middle East, eventually stabilizing itself in over 45 countries. Today, Baker McKenzie operates with over 70 offices globally, employing more than 13,000 people, including 6,000 lawyers. Their ability to operate seamlessly across jurisdiction is a key factor that sets them apart from competitors. Europe, offices in London, Paris, and Frankfurt handle complex regulatory and transactional work for European clients. Asia Pacific, from Tokyo to Sydney, their teams are leaders in addressing the region's unique challenges like navigating rapidly changing trade policies. And Latin America. With office in Brazil, Mexico, and Argentina, Baker McKenzie has played a vital role in guiding businesses through evolving markets in the region. Practice area and expertise. Baker McKenzie is a full service law firm, meaning they provide expertise across virtually every area of law. Here is a closer look at their core practice areas. First is corporate law and M&A. There are industry leaders in mergers and acquisitions, particularly in complex cross-border transactions. In 2023 alone, they advise on over $15 billion worth of deals globally. And second is tax law. Baker McKenzie has one of the largest tax practice in the world, with over 1,000 lawyers specializing in international tax planning, compliances, and dispute resolution. And third is intellectual properties, protection, patent, trademark, and copyrights for some of the world's most valuable brands. Baker McKenzie's IP teams is among the best in the industries. And fourth is dispute resolution. The firm handles high stakes litigation and international arbitration cases, often representing multinational corporations in disputes worth billions of dollars. And fifth is employment law. They provide guidance on managing global workforce, including handling employment disputes and ensuring compliance with labor regulation across jurisdictions. From tech startup to Fortune 500 companies, Baker McKenzie is the go-to firm for businesses navigating legal complications on a global scale. Innovation in legal tech. Baker McKenzie is also a leader in integrating technology into legal service. Their reinvent law innovative focus on using cutting edge tools to streamline process and improving client outcomes. For instance, they have developed AI powered platform for contract review and compliance monitoring. These innovations save time, reduce cost, and allow clients to focus on their business's goal. And six is achievement and recognition. Baker McKenzie's reputation is backed by an impressive list of accolades. There are just a few highlights. They have consistently ranked as one of the top law firms globally by Chambers and Partners and the Legal's 5000. In 1987, they became the first law firm to surpass $1 billion in annual revenue. They have been named Global Law Firm of the Year multiple times, recognizing their excellence across practice areas. These achievements reflect their dedication to innovation, client service, and global leadership. Challenges and criticism. Like any global entity, Baker McKenzie has faced challenges. They have been criticized for representing controversial clients and handling disputes in politically sensitive regions. But despite these challenges, the firm has maintained its reputation by committing to transparency, ethical standards, and client trust. Social responsibility and impacts. Baker McKenzie is not just about profit, they are also committed to making a positive impact. Their pro bono works includes human rights advocacy, refugee assistance, and support for non-profits. They are also deeply involved in sustainability efforts aiming to achieve carbon neutrality in their operation. In conclusion, Baker McKenzie is more than just a law firm. It's a global institution shaping the future of law and businesses. Their story is one of innovative resilience and impact. If you enjoy this deep dive, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's you know in the comment what you think about Baker McKenzie's and the role of global law firms in today's world.